On new channeling topics, Wave 4, Stellar Praxis, 4th orbit of fresh themes for long-form channelings, the 12 to 15K, built with Arcturian philosophy, Buddhist insight, Christ consciousness, universal unity, NLP tools, biodecoding maps, and numerology keys. Emojis included, no questions inside the texts. For a full piece, reply. Dame Uno plus number. Thus 73. Magnetism of gentleness. Soft power, strong field. Focus. Generate influence through softness and coherence rather than push. Angles to weave. Vagal toning, PNL state transfer, 2 partnership code, apology repair, blue flame boundary. 74. Repair protocols, from mistake to mastery. Focus. Build rituals that convert errors into trust and innovation. Angles to weave. 2-chair repair, responsibility ledger, 4-structure numerology, micro SOPs, timeline reframe. 75. Genetic stories. Biodecoding, family myths. Focus. Identify inherited narratives and rewrite permission scripts. Angles to weave. Birth triad numerology, ancestor altar, forgiveness rite, parts dialogue, name reclamation. 76. Precision presence, aim without tension. Focus. Sharpen intention while relaxing the body-mind. Angles to weave. Archer stance, soft belly breath, 139 momentum, mirror declarations, gratitude aim. Varkuching. 77. Blue flame communication. Truth with tenderness. Focus. Speak clearly without violence. Set loving limits. Angles to weave. Non-violent scripts, boundary mantras, tone practice. 5. Freedom numerology, pause vows. Dwarshar. 78. Digital declutter rite. Clearing the cloud. Focus. Release digital backlog to free attention and prosperity flow. Angles to weave. Inbox altars, archive ceremony, file numerology, dopamine hygiene, 9 closure code. 79. Clean money. Receiving without residue. Focus. Prosperity as consent and clarity. Angles to weave. Offer ladders, refund grace, tithe experiments, money scripts biodecoding, 8 reciprocity loops. 80. Play-based identity upgrade. Becoming through play. Focus. Use play to install new self-concepts safely. Angles to weave. Role rehearsal, costume anchors, safe place PNL, 3 joy numerology, celebratory closures. Tricks. 81. Unraveling guilt. The thread back to freedom. Focus. Detect covert guilt and reweave self-permission. Angles to weave. Somatic mapping, apology completion, family vows release, 6 care numerology, breath tapping. 82. Oceanic mantra. Sound codes for nervous system ease. Focus. Use vowel toning and wave breath to stabilize the field. Angles to weave. 5 to 5 breath, hum therapy, water ball resonance, 7 coherence code, listening prayer. You are 83. Curriculum of sovereignty. Learning paths for Starseeds. Focus. Design seasons of study that protect focus and joy. Angles to weave. Quarter themes, Sabbaths, exam as ritual, 4 structure numerology, mentorship ethics. 84. Ethical mirrors. Feedback without fragmentation. Focus. Give and receive reflections with safety and skill. Angles to weave. Consent gates. Gold, silver, lead feedback. Repair windows. 2 partnership code. Gratitude close. 85. Emotional range training. Capacity as wealth. Focus. Build tolerance for intensity to expand creativity and love. Angles to weave. Pendulation, titration, state anchors, 5 adaptability numerology, celebration ritual. Barka. 86. Offer evolution. Iterating with integrity. Focus. Update services without abandoning past buyers. Angles to weave. Legacy access vows, upgrade bridges, version naming. 8 stewardship numerology, release ceremony. 87. Prayer technology. spoken codes that hold. Focus. Craft and install declarations that reshape timelines. Angles to weave. Present tense scripts. Breath pacing, altar recordings, 11 inspiration numerology, daily loop. Nakras 88. T is temple. Ceremony for focus and care. Focus. Turn T into a portable monastery for work and love. Angles to weave. Heat breath, bowl blessing, 7-minute vigil, gratitude sips, 6 nurture numerology. 89. Launch as liturgy. Sacred marketing cadence. Focus. Align promotion with seasons, ethics, and consent. Angles to weave. Value stacking, rest week, refund grace, 22 master builder numerology, feast fast rhythm. Varis 90. Trigger safe creativity. Make without meltdown. Focus. Create structure that protects sensitivity and output. Angles to weave. Pomodoro bells. Phone exile. Body resets. 4 structure numerology. Repair vow. 91. Compassion genetics. Installing gentle defaults. Focus. Train micro-choices that normalize kindness and clarity. Angles to weave. Habit stacking. 3 breath pause. Apology scripts. 3 joy numerology. Mirror mercy. 92. Consent magic. Boundaries that multiply love. Focus. Use clear agreements to deepen intimacy and prosperity. Angles to weave. Yes, no maybe maps. Scope vows. Repair windows. 1 leadership numerology. Calendar clarity. Duri. 93. Crisis navigation. Calm. Choice. Coherence. Focus. Protocols to keep dignity and direction under pressure. Angles to weave. Stop, drop, breathe. Triage matrix. Support calls. 7 resilience numerology. Debrief ritual. Tarot. 94. Creative constraints. Freedom through form. Focus. Use limits to unlock flow and originality. Angles to weave. 45-minute sprints. Theme palettes. 22 builder numerology. Vow of completion. Public release. 95. Graceful endings. Close with beauty. Focus. Design beautiful finishes for offers, cycles, and relationships. Angles to weave. Thank you letters, gift refunds, object return right, 9 closure code, dawn release. 96. Immunity of the heart. Staying open and safe. Focus. Keep compassion radiant while discerning access. Angles to weave. Blue flame seal. 4 gates of speech. 5 freedom numerology. Circle of trust. Daily sweep. Do. Usage note request. Any item with Dame Uno plus number. Delivery in English with emojis, Arcturian vision, Buddhist and Christ consciousness threads, universal unity, NLP, biodecoding, numerology, real life stories, techniques, and simple rituals.